Kids channel.
Hey everyone, welcome back to our vlog. Today is going to be super exciting because Ayan and Rayan are on their way to Central Park. We're in for a day full of adventure, fun, and who knows what else. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's dive into this awesome Central Park adventure. Alright folks, buckle up and join us on this journey. We're currently cruising in our vehicle, taking in the sights and sounds around us. The environment is absolutely stunning. The sun is shining brightly, casting a warm glow on everything, and the sky couldn't be clearer. It's the perfect day for an adventure at Central Park. Let's keep our spirits high as we head towards the park and soak in all this natural beauty. And here we are, folks. We've made it to Central Park, and we're at the entrance. Ayan and Rayan are already in awe, taking in the grandeur of this iconic park. The lush greenery, the vibrant flowers, and the serene atmosphere. It's all just breathtaking. Let's take a moment to admire the view alongside them and get ready for a day filled with exploration and excitement. As we're walking along, we're surrounded by these adorable horse-drawn carts. It's like a scene out of a classic movie. The clip-clop of the horses' hooves on the cobblestone, the jingle of the harnesses, it's all so picturesque. Ayan and Rayan are absolutely loving this experience. They're waving to the passers-by, and honestly, it's hard not to get caught up in the nostalgic vibe of it all. I can't even begin to describe how amazing the environment is right now. Seriously, it's like we've stepped into a fairy tale. The sun is shining brilliantly, and the sky is this stunning shade of blue that goes on forever. As we're strolling through the park, you can hear the gentle rustling of leaves in the trees, the distant chatter of people, and the sweet melodies of birds. I mean, it's like nature's orchestra is serenading us as we explore. And the colors. Oh my goodness, the colors are so vibrant. Alright guys, time to slow things down and take in the laid-back vibes of Central Park. Ayan and Rayan are joining me as we find a cozy spot to lay down and relax. I mean, after all the exploring, it's important to take a breather, right? So if you're feeling a bit stressed or overwhelmed, take a cue from us and find your own slice of serenity in nature. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright guys, check out the scene right now. Rayan's got this huge grin on his face as he takes a sip of his chilled juice. I mean, can you blame him? It's the perfect refresher on a day like this. Hey everyone, hold on to your hats because things just got a little more adventurous over here. Ayan, the ultimate explorer, stumbled upon some sticks that he's turned into his own personal learning tools. He's got this creative energy going, and he's using those sticks to draw shapes, practice counting, and even create a mini obstacle course. I mean, who knew a bunch of sticks could turn into a fun and educational activity, right?
What is
As
that?
Ayan maneuvers the
What
sticks,
is that?
Rayan is right there, cheering him on and occasionally joining in on the fun. It's a beautiful blend of play and learning, all against the backdrop of the stunning Central Park scenery.
What are you doing, Stare. Very good. What is that? What is that? Very good. Circle. How you gonna make it? One, two, very good. Two. One. Very good. Ayan, what you gonna do? A? Okay, make. Wow. Nice. Another. Can you make Y? A circle? Doggy. Wow.
Our new four-legged buddy seems to be just as curious as we are about our activities. As Ayan continues his stick-powered educational games, our furry friend is right there, offering an enthusiastic paw of approval. But hey, don't think this is the end of the road. No way. We're just getting started. There's more fun, more laughter, and definitely more exploring on the horizon. So keep your eyes peeled for the next vlog. For now, though, it's time to bid adieu. Take care, stay awesome, and remember to find joy in the little things. Catch you all real soon.
And for watching